Hi, this is Steve, and I'd like to talk to you about the latest technology from DAP that is going to change the way you think about construction adhesives. Introducing DAP SmartBond Subfloor Adhesive, the revolutionary new construction adhesive that is faster and easier to use than traditional cartridge adhesives, so you can work smarter, not harder. What's the main difference, you're wondering? How about 8 times the coverage of a traditional cartridge adhesive? That's right, just one can of DAP SmartBond Subfloor Adhesive offers the same coverage as 8 28-ounce cartridges of traditional subfloor adhesive. Oh yeah, and it's about half the price of buying 8 tubes. So jobs become more efficient because you can do more with less. DAP SmartBond is a polyurethane formula. Watch as it applies as a foam and transforms to a high-strength adhesive gel. DAP SmartBond cures fast and develops an incredibly strong, durable, permanent bond to dimensional and treated lumber, plywood, OSB, and enhanced OSB. In other words, most common building materials. DAP SmartBond is also much faster on the job site. It's 25% faster to apply than traditional adhesive cartridges, which means better efficiency and less fatigue. The pressurized aerosol can dispenses easily and doesn't require the same pumping action that's required with the cartridge and gun. And because one can of DAP SmartBond provides better coverage, it also eliminates the continuous swap out of cartridges, saving time and money. Just one 20-ounce can of SmartBond Subfloor yields about 400 linear feet at a half-inch bead, compared to one 28-ounce cartridge of subfloor adhesive, which only gives you 38 linear feet at a 3/8 bead. Did you know it takes over 2 minutes to load, cut, pierce, and pump a standard adhesive cartridge, but only 20 seconds to change out a can of SmartBond? Also, one can of DAP SmartBond weighs about a pound, compared to the 5 pounds that every 28-ounce cartridge weighs. At an average of 40 or 50 cartridges for each house, that makes for some tired arms. Less gunning, less change-out, less fatigue with SmartBond. That sounds good to me. Using DAP SmartBond Subfloor Adhesive is easy and simple. As always, we recommend using the necessary protective equipment, like safety glasses, gloves, and a long-sleeve shirt. To get started, just shake the can, insert the straw, and remove the tab. Hang on to that tab, you'll see why in a second. Now hold the can upside down, either on or just above the joist, and gently pull the trigger, releasing the SmartBond adhesive foam onto the surface. Use about a half-inch diameter bead. The amount of pressure used on the trigger will control the adhesive flow rate. Then go ahead and drop the plywood panel in place. You may have seen other foam products blow away before. You won't see that with SmartBond. Our collapsible chemistry means that this foam adheres to the substrate immediately, and that means no splatter, less wasted product, and faster cleanup. After that, go ahead and nail the board down. Now there's a subfloor panel that's not going anywhere. When you're done, reinsert the pin on the tab you saved earlier into the end of the straw. Now your can of SmartBond can be reused for up to 30 days. So remember, with revolutionary DAP SmartBond construction adhesive, you get 8 times more coverage, 25% faster application, and the higher strength bond of polyurethane technology. All this adds up to time and money saved. DAP SmartBond construction adhesives. Work smarter.